So today we're going to take you through kind of what the Granby 145.39 repeater looks like. It is a K0NXA repeater. It's a 125 watt Motorola Quantar. You can use a PL of 91.5 hertz. That's your analog PL tone. That connects you to the Southwest Missouri linked repeater system. If you want to operate in digital mode in P25, use that NAC code. That's a network access code of 656. That repeater was donated to the Next Amateur Radio Club by the Mid-America Regional Council, Mark, up in Kansas City. And the amplifier was donated by the Civil Air Patrol. It's a low split amplifier. All right, so up at the top here, we have a DC distribution panel, followed by a 12 volt DC power supply, fan control, and then our SCOM 7330 side controller. At the bottom we just have a panel with our receive preamp. Standard TXRX duplexer, 4 cavities. It claims to have 1.49 dB of loss on transmit and 1.48 on receive. And you notice on the back side here we have a large cavity for receive because we do have some issues with interference here from some other side equipment. And this cavity has 2.1 dB of loss. So overall, we have 3.6 dB of loss. So to help make up for that, we have an Advanced Research DG 15 dB preamp, and it has about 1 dB noise figure. So it's kind of middle of the road as far as preamps go, anywhere from 9, 15, or 24 dB if you have a gas FET. We put a 6 dB pad on the output of that to help match it up. So we have an overall gain on receive of about 5.5 dB. And that seems to make up pretty good for our loss from the duplexer and from the larger bandpass cavity. And here we see the back of the Quantar repeater with the cables that go to the duplexer, our interface cables to the SCOM, our ground. Then we have the SCOM controller up here that connects the link radio that goes to Crane or Republic, the repeater, and then this actually goes to a dispatch console. We have some other wiring for fan controls. We have our remote control relay board here that allows us to remotely turn the repeater and the link radios off and on with the custom-made 3D printed box thanks to Todd 80RR, and then our DC distribution panel. Internet here right now is by cell modem. I failed to mention up here at the very top, we have the link radio. It's a Motorola CDM 750. And then our Ubiquiti Edge Router X router. So that's basically the gist of the repeater. It uses a 2-bay Comprod 872F-70TM. If you notice in the background, you'll see the other equipment that's here. This is a VHF trunking system. We've got quite a bit more filter cans than what we have. And then the transmitters. The closest transmitter to us here is on 155 megahertz. However, there's 5 transmitters, all 100 watts. They can all be transmitting simultaneously. I believe the transmitter, the 155.355 transmitter, is the one that probably bothers us the most when it's transmitting. Thus the need for the additional filter. Everything here is on UPS power, UPS backup, and then a generator as well.